Well, not in my shop today. Starting someplace new.
Let's bring it down a little bit.
Probably, but they, you always forget that. We're learning, right? I like that.
I like that.
Now, where's that coming out?
We're gonna put it in the glove box.
We'll put it in the glove box.
And this goes to the firewall.
The firewall, that's where you put the firewall.
And then the glove box goes back here.
So it's gonna be mounted here.
Yep.
Just drill holes from
So
here.
theoretically, you hit the glove box door, it'd open up, and this would be laying just like it is right now. Here. So
Do you attach this to the firewall then?
we will be. So I got nutserts that we're gonna pop into the firewall. Either that, or actually for that firewall, I'll put a bolt through it, and then on the outside, I'll basically have an Allen head on the firewall, and then just put two nuts on the inside.
Yeah.
Might have to make a little bracket to hold it up on the front side of that, but at least right now, I know that if I put that like that, I got a nice flat shelf
For it to lay on.
to lay on. So this side might have to take some more finagling from some other pieces and maybe some more welding or something like that. But at the race shop, I ended up building out this and bending up this bracket. What I ended up having to do was notch it out for clearance inside the truck. This is basically going to be for the heater box. This goes up to the core, or the firewall itself. This attaches back on the dash, but it's going to hold the Holley Terminator system right inside the dash. I have it mounted up in there. There's a nice little gap there as well. Everything has been rib nutted on there, so there's no nuts that'll have to be used, just bolts to hold everything in there. And then we have spots for our relays and other items that are going to have to be attached to that. So here's a quick video of basically me installing it now. Alright, so I already have the computer up in here. So what I'm going to end up doing is I have a bolt that's going to run through the glove box door itself, and the hinge that runs down into a nutsert. Let's get this started. I have two more that line up through the firewall, and I'll be putting those in real quick. Tighten this up real fast. have to put one more, I have to take a bolt out for clearance so the bracket would slide in, but this is just holding the hinge on. Alright. Now we can start running this wire again. But glove box is operational, it's functioning, it works, and we're going to have the Holley system sit right here. I do have a wire still to run out for the dash tachometer, and then this is up here because this will be where the Holley display plugs into it. But otherwise, we have everything buttoned up inside the glove box. Obviously, that's the tag wire, but we have everything buttoned up inside the glove box, so that way we can have that hidden away and you won't see where the computer system is at all in this truck. Alright, so here is the engine harness that we're going to end up using for basically the gauges and the starter. So two of these wires are going to be for sensors, an oil pressure sensor and a water temp sensor. The giant purple wire is the starter wire, and then this brown one that's in here is an exciter wire for the alternator. So that'll tell the alternator to start charging. So we're going to have a couple of these. They're going to run down the firewall underneath where the toe board's at. We're going to have one drop out for an oil pressure sensor that we have on this side. The alternator wire is going to run up to here to where this plug's at currently. Then we're going to run a charge cord from there across as well. We're going to continue across the back of the motor. We have a water temp sensor on this side, and then we'll drop the wire out for the starter. The alternator wire will continue around up to the front where the battery will be at. So that's how we're going to run this system, and here's how I'm going to do it.